Shikamapatna. 373 square meters area పట్టా ఉంది సార్. ఆకుల సొసైటీ Shikamapatna ఇది రెండు కలిపి 48 acres ఉంది.
ఓకే మూడు కలిపి అంటే టోటల్ సర్వే నెంబర్ 62 సార్.
సో అది ఇప్పుడు ఏదంటే ఇష్యూ దిస్ ఇస్ ద 12 acre 40 పర్మిషన్ అని ఉంది ఇచ్చారా ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఇదేనికి ఇవ్వలేదు.
Yes, and this building has come up right in front in spite of the place. When I represented in 2017, this building was not there.
The like we verify that we have not given permission also.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. And I have emailed to the DHMC asking them if they have permitted, and till now there is only clarity because there was no permission. And this particular area, sir, in 2016, 17, 18, to another High Court order also which was there. In fact, telling that the entire, we have the map there, right? There is a small area, land like thing protruding into the lake. So the entire survey number, I think it is 64. So High Court order is so clear about it. Emphatically that it is indeed the lake. There is a High Court order on that CD from the government. Look at the ordered video. Yeah.
Okay, right. We will what we'll do like we will submit report. So on this because for ours also around 12 acres it is showing as Shikamapatna. There it is now within FPL. And part of land is also one more some patta is there actually. So we jointly both revenue and as we submit report we will have. And maybe from for our side we have not given any permission. But since patta is there, they might ask them to patta or maybe acquire the land.
Just Sagar today, somebody will have a patta in their name because of the history of Telangana land records. But it is very clear, just keep it off now. But the problem is that the laws are very clear that on the Shikham land, you may own the land, no problem.
Yeah,
and
agree.
you can continue owning. We don't want land acquirement by the government. But
Like
you
for the-
cannot
for the-
even lay a brick over there.
Yeah, for the tank development, court only they are telling that you acquire land and you develop.
No, but in this case, we say let them hold the land title. We have no problem. Our issue is not with the land title. Our issue is that in that land title, there are restrictions of land use.
Yeah,
And
we
land
know
use
that.
means you can't
Anyway,
lay a brick over
since
there. I mean, this is absolute broad daylight highway robbery.
Okay, right. We will factual things we will submit.
Factual things, absolutely.
So before that, we will give copy to you also.
Yes,
So
sir.
that you can also supplement whatever the
Absolutely.
report we
Thank
are
you.
submitting. Then we will
We
further
really
wait for
appreciate that.
So one small intervention here regarding the patta. The
Let
Irrigation
the
Act.
court take it. Let them decide.
So code is being misled also, sir. I want to be very frank and just
See,
one
that's why
point here.
when what we submit, we will give copy to you also.
Yes.
So that based on that, if you can
Supplement
correct
and
some,
reinforce
you can
it.
correct also, you can supplement also. So let them give any directions. No problem.
No, sir, this is being repeatedly happening that when we go and tell that there's an encroachment, they are telling that it's a patta land. So hence now the land acquisition, this is happening in Malcolm Cheru also. I'm seeing this game. So what I'm telling you humbly is simply this, that in the as per the Irrigation Act 1357 firstly, even madam knows it very well, it is clearly written that the dry area, the exposed water bed, lake bed or the Musi Nadi bed was being given by the erstwhile Nizam for cultivation, which has to be evacuated by May 31st. Madam also knows that, you also know that, sir. So where is the question of holding the patta on that? It is very clearly written that no written pattas will be there. These are created pattas after the erstwhile Nizam had gone.
Yeah, maybe like
This is the Devada patta,
See,
so
that's
hence
why
now the
we
government
will
has
not
to acquire the
misguide.
land.
We have to argue.
So we will because like already FPL preliminary notification is also fixed. So whatever you are telling it is right also because they are already there. And whatever the things coming, said also it is clearly mentioned. So because this issue was there also there also survey data. So that thing is there. They can same copy. So submit. So you submit. You can also.
Yes, of course, yeah. But we'll accompany you during this.
Yeah.
Now, is the survey done or complete, or you are doing some survey around the lake?
No, already survey is done because already preliminary notification also is given.
Sir, but we were waiting there. We were supposed to be
One second. You are telling the preliminary, now they have not done any survey. You are telling preliminary notification is the survey. So you need not go around anywhere. Okay. But we want to just go around and take some pictures because I take geotag pictures.
Yeah, you can take. No.
Okay, so I want somebody to be there.
Yeah, that we or we will not. Okay, sir. Yeah, surveyor will also. From revenue side. Yeah. So like entire
Yes, we have. It comes which is there on the website.
Yeah.
Yes, HMD.
And that includes that at least some legal action should be taken to stop this.
Yeah. Okay, right.
Yes.
Thank you. ఓకే సో అది కొంత చూపించేసి ఓకే ఇంకా సార్ మ్యాప్ కూడా ఉంది కదా సో ఎనీథింగ్ కిషన్ రెడ్డి గారు
మొత్తం ఈ బిల్డింగ్ ఒకసారి అంతా మొత్తం తిరిగి
Can we ask the surveyors to come to that first?
ఒకసారి రౌండ్ తీసుకో తిరుగు మొత్తం తీసుకో ఇవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇవి మొత్తం చూసి ఇది కనిపిస్తుంది తిరుగు కూడా కనిపిస్తారు అక్కడ ఇందులో మూడు ఇటుపక్క కూడా రావాలంట అట్లనే బిల్డింగ్ కూడా ఇక
please guide them which photos they have to take so that we can also there is a possibility. To have some irrigation in the can also take place.
ఆ బిల్డింగ్ కూడా తీయాలండి ప్రస్తుతం ఏం చేయలేము
మళ్ళీ కోట్లకి వేసేసినాం పనికిరాదు ఇక వేస్ట్.
ఇంకా
దాడి ముంగట్రా ముంగట్రా
ఎంత దూరంకి వెళ్ళినా దగ్గర వస్తా అన్నది.
ఇక్కడ కట్ట ఉండే ఇక్కడ టెంపుల్ ఉన్నాయి చెరువు ఉన్నాయి ఫెన్సింగ్ కూడా కొట్టి వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఎట్లా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసిండు డి గారు అక్కడ ఫెన్సింగ్ లేకుండా
వచ్చినప్పుడు చాలా అయితే సార్ మనం పట్టుకుని
ఇది
మేడం కొంచెం మెల్లగా జారుతుంది అక్కడ.
And the weir is gone actually. We don't even find the weir now. And this is the extra secondary fencing that they have done. The fencing is actually here in this place. So let us see. We hope that with the future report of all the officials, we will be able to protect this.
అడిగో చూసి వెళ్ళిపోతే వీడియో దిగాను.
Now the monsoon wanted to come inside. Inta clear the act lo undi. Where the patta, who is selling the patta, and why is the government acquiring the patta? I won't allow the person to be misled like this. Definitely, whatever knowledge, humble knowledge I have, I will give on the. It is not.
That is revenue, particular revenue side.
But when I hear from them, at least I must know. But they know it. They know. Yeah, they may be knowing. They may be knowing, but they actually they're openly telling before me about the acquisition, so I have to answer them.
బిల్డింగ్ కూడా ఫెన్సింగ్ ఇల్లు కూడా చెట్లనే కట్టండి लैंड का है ना कोड ये पूरा FTL में पूरा टूट जाते हैं जरा समझ में थोड़ा सा हाँ हो तो और धीरे भी ठंडा हो जाएगा नाच के भी आइए
डब्बे लकड़ी का गोला
कर వాడే పడిపోతున్నాడు అడే ఆ